Are you playing Honor of Kings on your smartphone or tablet? If you are doing so, connecting your account to Facebook is one of the safest options. In this video, I'm going to help you learn how to connect Honor of Kings to Facebook properly so that your data stays safe and accessible. First of all, download and open up Honor of Kings on your device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and also make sure that you've completed the in-game tutorials. Once you've done so, you'll land in this lobby screen. Go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner of the screen, and from the settings menu, select link account from the top of the screen. Now from the choose account to link option, tap on Facebook option. Make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account with your credentials. If not, go ahead and write down your credentials. Once you log in with your Facebook account, go ahead and click on the continue button, and then you will be able to connect Honor of Kings to Facebook. This will restart the game and your progress will sync across devices. This helps to protect your progress and makes logging in easier on any device. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, feel free to check out our other Honor of Kings tutorials for beginners and advanced players. Happy gaming! Thank you for watching.